Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an upper rear dish rack rail stop clip in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out and rotate both front stop clips outward to fully remove the rack. You can now release the retaining tabs to remove the old rear stop clip. Install the new rear stop clip by aligning it with the rail and snapping it into place. Realign the upper dish rack rollers on the slide rails. Push the rack in and rotate the front stop clips inward.